Spring is the time to enhance your home. So here with 5 ways to work less, enjoy more, and make some sustainable updates outside. We welcome back home improvement and lifestyle expert Kathryn Emery is with us today. Kathryn, always good to see you. Hello.
Kara, I love talking to you, and I know you're going to be picking up what I'm putting down on this segment. You're going to love all these things.
Well, I totally am, because you're telling me that I could have a cleaner home but clean less.
Yes, I love the robots to do the work for me. So I went to Consumer Electronics Show early this year, and I found Roborock. So this just launched on Amazon yesterday, May 2nd. It's the Roborock X7 Max Plus robot vacuum. So we all know the robot vacuums that go around and clean. This one also mops for you, but catch this, Kara. It's got 3 chambers. So it's got the dust chamber, the dirty water, and the clean water. So while it's out there mopping, while it's out there vacuuming, it goes back and it cleans itself. So essentially you are doing nothing. I love this product. It also has an enhanced obstacle avoidance, which is reactive artificial intelligence. It basically uses cameras and 3D lights to avoid things, so it's not bumping into things around your house, and a viborize technology, exactly like it sounds. It's vibrating, it's basically scrubbing, and it's also sensing when it needs to adjust for different heights, go over carpets and whatnot. And then I also, they sent me this dyad. So this is a wet dry vac. It's the only wet dry vac that has multiple rollers and multiple motors. So it automatically will notice if it's a wet or a dry mess and adjust accordingly. Isn't that amazing? I just love it. It's moving and grooving around. But I mean, let's let the robots clean for us, girl, right? I don't want to be doing the work. We got to have them work for us.
Okay, so then you're talking outside, right? Our inside is clean. What do you have for us outdoors?
All right, come outside with me. So I don't know about you, but I have a brown thumb. So I'm always looking for help to keep things green. And I love, Ratio has this smart sprinkler control, and it will help water everything for you. Make sure that your plants and your grass are getting the right amount of water. So you just attach it to your existing irrigation system. You can have an 8-zone or a 16-zone, but it's going to change for you. So it's going to read the weather temperature. It's going to know if it's raining. It's going to override. It's going to know per season, you know, if it's a little bit hotter and it needs more water, if it's a little bit colder. So it's got a proprietary watering algorithm that you basically uses climate data, soil temperature, and root depth data to assess your soil's moisture, things that I don't know what to do. So long story short is it's going to help me save money on my water bill and also keep things greener. I just love it. Such a smart innovation by Ratio. So have you been planting yet for spring? Because I have a great option for you.
No, I'm ready for it.
Okay, so these are by Coolaroo. So these are grow bags, and they also make these really cool sail shades that you're going to see right here. So when you want to create some shade in your yard and extend the living space outside into the summer, they're made with these amazing HDPE fabric. And what that means is that it's going to block those harmful UV rays. It's moisture, mold, and stain resistant. It's really durable, so it can withstand winds. For the grow bags, they can withstand anything, but it's breathable. So the air is going to get through on the sail shades. The grow bags, the roots are going to be able to breathe. The water's going to be able to get through. So just a great option. Coolaroo makes so many great things. You got to check it out. And I mean, we're keeping green, right? All right, I gotta ask you, girl. Do you maintain your own yard?
I love using a blower. It's one of my favorite things. That's about all I can do.
It's so easy, but no, okay, get that battery power. So I love to lawnmowers, okay? Your neighbors are using their lawnmowers, the gas-powered ones. They're having emissions go into the air. They're noisy. Update to that battery. So this is by Green Machine. It's a 62-volt lithium-ion battery-powered mower. It's got a steel deck. It's got 6 different positions for cutting depths. It's easy to change. It's got push self-propelled, 45 minutes of runtime. I love it, though, because once you get in that battery, then you can get your blower like you love, string trimmer. You really can do it all yourself. I just love that. And then speaking of doing things ourselves, what do you do in the case of a blackout? Goal Zero has an option for you. It's called the Goal Zero Yeti 1500 Power Station. So what this is, it's a clean, quiet, fuel-free power source. It turns on with the push of a button. It's got 7 port options. It's great for fridges to camping equipment and more. 2,000 watts of power. That Yeti app makes it easy to use, optimize power usage, so you could use it during like peak hours and power your things to save money on your energy bill. Or if you see that a blackout's coming, make sure that you maintain and have enough energy to keep things running in your house. It comes with these solar panels called the Boulder 100 briefcase kit. So it's 2 solar panels, 50 watts each of power, but you can carry them in this kit. But I just love it. You want to be prepared because, hey, you don't want to rely on the grid anymore these days, right? With all these rolling blackouts, heat waves, storms, wildfires. Take power into your own hand, and Goal Zero really helps you do that.
You got to be prepared, and you've done that for us. Thank you so much.
Of course. I always love talking to you. And hey, happy spring. Hopefully I inspired you to get some things done, or better yet, let the machines do the work for you, right?
Oh, yes, for sure you did. Love it. So many great products. We'll see you soon.
Thank you so much.
And you guys, we're going to have more information about Kathryn and BeTheBestHome.com on our website at KATU.com. But don't go away. We'll be right back.